After years of speculation, spy shots, and fan petitions, the icon has returned. The 2026 Honda S2000A is finally here, and it's everything purists hoped for. With a modern twist, lightweight, naturally aspirated, driver-focused, and razor-sharp, the new S2000 brings back the soul of the original Roadster while injecting it with 21st century performance and technology. Asterisk. The S2000 was always about balance, and Honda hasn't lost sight of that formula. The 2026 model rides on a bespoke rear-wheel drive platform, developed from the ground up to be light, agile, and precise. It's low, wide, and strikingly modern, but unmistakably S2000. Asterisk, the design pays homage to the original, with a long hood, short rear deck, and clean minimal surfaces. The new LED headlights are slim and aggressive, set within a reshaped front fascia that channels air into large functional intakes. The hood features a subtle power bulge, hinting at the performance underneath. Asterisk, along the sides, the S2000's proportions remained classic. A low beltline, sculpted rocker panels, and flared rear fenders give it a planted athletic stance. The soft top is now fully electric and folds flat in under 7 seconds. Around back, the minimalist tail features wide LED taillights and a lightweight dual exhaust system integrated into a carbon fiber rear diffuser. A subtle ducktail spoiler completes the rear functional, not flashy, asterisk under the hood. Honda delivers what enthusiasts have begged for: naturally aspirated 2.4-liter inline quattro. This engine, known internally as the K24C7R, produces 276 horsepower and 198 pounds-ft of torque, with a red line of 8,600 RPM. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission with short, precise throws and a limited slip differential. A lightweight flywheel and updated VTEC tuning ensure razor-sharp throttle response and a soundtrack that builds with every rev. Asterisk 0 to 60 arrives in 4.8 seconds. But the real thrill is how it gets there. The car weighs just 2,780 pounds, thanks to an aluminum chassis, carbon-reinforced panels, and a strict focus on weight savings. The balance is a near-perfect 50/50ths, and the handling, pinpoint. Steering is electric but ultra-responsive, with feedback calibrated for true enthusiast driving. Asterisk, the suspension setup features double wishbones, front and rear, with adaptive dampers that adjust in milliseconds based on road surface and drive mode. Speaking of which, the S2000 offers for driving modes: normal, sport, track, and individual, each one modifying throttle mapping, suspension stiffness, and stability control thresholds. Brake-by-wire technology with 4-piston Brembo calipers ensures confident stopping, lap after lap. Asterisk, inside the cabin, Honda blends simplicity with modern tech. The cockpit is tight but comfortable, with bolstered sport seats available in Alcantara or leather. The flat-bottom steering wheel features integrated controls, while the center console is clean and driver-focused. Asterisk, in front of the driver sits a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, offering real-time telemetry, lap timers, and customizable layouts depending on drive mode. The central 9-inch infotainment display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a new performance-focused UI gives drivers data on G-forces, throttle position, brake pressure, and more. Asterisk, Honda has added a few creature comforts to dual-zone climate control, heated seats, keyless entry, and a 10-speaker Bose audio system designed to project sound above engine noise and wind turbulence. The trunk is modest but usable, with enough room for weekend bags or a helmet, and gear for track days. Asterisk, safety isn't forgotten. While the original S2000 was raw and analog, the 2026 version features Honda sensing as standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. But all of it can be dialed back or turned off when it's time for spirited driving. Asterisk, and for those looking for an even more extreme experience, Honda has confirmed a future Type R version is in development, expected to include a turbo variant, wider body, track-ready suspension, and aerodynamic upgrades. Asterisk, the new S2000 also brings customization to the table. Buyers can select from a palette of heritage colors, including Indy Yellow Pearl, Silverstone Metallic, and a limited edition Championship White. Interior accents, seat stitching, and wheel designs are all configurable through Honda's new personalization program. Asterisk, pricing for the 2026 Honda S2000. starts at $48,900, with higher trims and lightweight packages climbing toward the mid-$50,000s. While not the cheapest roadster on the market, it's built with quality, precision, and true performance DNA. This is not just a reboot. The 2026 S2000 is a return to form for Honda, a celebration of driver engagement, mechanical purity, and motorsport heritage in a world dominated by tech-heavy, overpowered Grand Tourers. For purists, it's a dream reborn. For the next generation, it's an introduction to what driving should feel like. This is the new S2000, built to rev, built to corner, and built to last.